set the phone up with this Kit Kat. And yeah, there. Hi. I'm up, you little kitty.
She's in there.
Hello there, YouTube.
Hello there. Excuse me. This is a sick mom. Full Sunday, yay. This is our day of excitement and fun. She has a collection of kitty cats, don't you?
Yep, I have 4 Kit Kats.
Oh, I may have just given this away.
In the video, she fell out of the bag.
The cat's out of the bag, guys. Literally.
I've literally been taking so good care of her. Like, I haven't let her out of the bag once, unless I'm playing with her.
She's not crazy, but she is a cat lady.
Literally, I've washed my hands before and after to keep her clean.
Okay, we just need to wash your face and maybe your pajamas, and we'll get to that a little bit later. Literally just picked you up. It's okay. Go for it, girl.
Good.
Look at the face. Look at the face. Look at the face. Oh man, she totally smells like me. All right, heading in for buff. Greater tummy. No?
No offense, Kit Kat, but Mommy smells better.
Whoa, yeah, you know, she says they smell like smoke from my house. I don't smoke. My house smokes. It's on fire. Well, I couldn't bring Kit Kat in the shower. Oh, I thought I was gonna. Hi.
Hi.
You hungry?
Yeah.
All right.
Hot nuts bacon right here. It is the best.
Baconator breakfast. It's 2 stuck together. Oh, that's ASMR, girl. You, we're on round 1. Good girl for getting some fruit. See? You suck the juice, you don't get the pulp.
Guys, I'm bleeding. Oh, man.
Round number 2. You already hit the dessert tray.
Whoa, Jacob.
Who's Jake?
I call it dirt. Dirt and snow.
My Siri on my phone can text people with my phone being locked.
Whoa. Big Brother's watching the Big Brother. That was so sweet. You were going to put it back so you didn't bug her because she can't have the cheese.
I got shirt too.
Round 2, and you are going to be chocolate.
Not the boo.
We're going to slightly let you photo bomb now. Oh, look at that.
He's the master.
You're the master.
Wow, she is really nice. I take the bill today.
Hey guys, she got it from the car and she kept it in the bag.
Look what I did.
The cat is not out of the bag. How are you gonna cuddle with your stuffy if she's always in the bag? Now the cat's never coming out of the bag. Oh no.
It's even tied.
Oh.
It's so good, but I can't even eat it.
Officially hit the chocolate wall. I have no chocolate wall. I can go forever. I am impressed. On our way to the car, soccer drill.
Yeah,
to show us.
so you go.
You're doing it because, you know guys, never step on a crack or you break your mom's back. Over,
Over,
under, over. Ah, look at that, I just broke my own back. Oh, I can do it.
climbing Mount Everest. That was no ice.
My little athlete. Don't know where he gets it from. Uh-huh. You missed a spot. You're hired. Thank you. To re-shout out the virgin chicks. Oh, that sounded weird. So what's your trick?
See, like this is a screen protector. See how it's peeling off?
Yeah. So no matter how much you break your screen, no shards in the finger. Oh, okay. Oh man. Okay, never mind. Guys, I've talked her into clothes. This idea, look guys. So we can lock.
I'm really good at climbing on my toes. I got blue.
A special kind.
Who's got a haircut? No,
I
not
just got a
her.
haircut. No, I didn't.
Okay, there we go. So I just need to cut
There we go. Don't steal, kids. Yes, I'm actually buying a kid's shirt. Like reverse photo bombed. Bathroom selfie is allowed when you're twinning.
Guys,
Yeah.
pause this video, and if you haven't, then like and subscribe.
Looking sharp, dude. You like it?
Yeah, it's warm.
Well, it's hot outside. You sure you don't want to put your short sleeve on?
Can I give you a trick of this?
Yes.
Grab this,
Okay.
rip it off like that.
I would end up breaking my nails if I did that. Oh, they actually look like I did them today. I didn't at all. Told them it'd be too hot. Silly guy.
Hi guys, I was running toward this position for 1 minute. Comment and like below.
Nope, not gonna happen. Oh, man. Not gonna happen. Oh. Oh, sorry, photo bomb. Happy?
Guys, don't look at it, but mine is gonna be huge.
Okay, I'll turn it off till after. Holy. Bubblegum ice cream is weird, guys. Bubblegum. You and your oddest flavor combinations. Is that actual bubblegum in there?
Yes.
Or are they candy pieces? Which you're also not supposed to have with your retainer.
Soft.
Okay, good.
Let's look. I have a challenge for us.
You
Let's
what?
see who can do this the longest. Look.
Are those your teeth marks?
Yeah.
Oh my. How?
See, Mom? See, look at, I made it. Mommy, Sensodyne toothpaste works. I've been using it and I couldn't even drink cold milk. And now I can do that.
Kenny's having a nap. Guys, comment like and subscribe if you haven't, if you think I did it.
What the hell is wrong with my sister?
Absolutely nothing. Open weekend hair clips. And my the crazy kid is too trendy to get wet.
Mom, you want a hug?
No.
Look, I'm not wet.
Oh man. Oh, you're not wet. Oh,
No, my
thank
legs
you
are.
for the hug. Wow.
So cold. I don't care. I'm gonna go get
Whoa. We're watching. Yeah. No, not. Wow.
I'm filming. I'm filming.
You're also
Beautiful. Gorgeous. Cat is out of the bag. The spray park is open. You know what today is called?
What?
Vlogging. We ended up no challenge. That's why the whole day felt off. There was no challenge. It was all about the kitty cat. We're not getting it started, we're getting it stopped.